Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, PhD Digital Maths. Today, we are going to solve the MCQs of chapter number 3, R.D. Sharma, which is linear equation in two variables. And today, we will complete up to question number 5. Pairs of linear equation in two variables. Few important points are there, which you have to remember and you have to understand also. Okay. So what are those points? Let first discuss. First is algebraic expression. What does the meaning of algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variables connected by four fundamental arithmetical operation of plus, minus, multiplication sign and division sign is called an algebraic expression. Okay. And constant and variables. Variables मतलब जितने letters से A to Z तक जितने भी letters है, they are known as variables. And constant means any number, numerical digit, right? Okay. And those with connected arithmetical operation, that means plus minus multiplication division से जब होते हैं, then that is known as algebraic expression. That means this is an algebraic expression. This is an example of algebraic expression. Now equation. What do you mean by equation? An algebraic expression with equal to sign is called the equation. Without an equal sign, it is an expression only. Expression only. Remember this. Expression and equation में फर्क है. जब भी आपको कोई expression में is equal to sign दिखेगा, that means you will see LHS and RHS. Okay, this is LHS and this is RHS. Then only it is an equation. Or else अगर zero नहीं होगा, only 6x plus 12 होगा, then this is an expression. Expression and equation. 6x plus 12 is expression. 6x plus 12 is equal to 0 is an equation. Okay. Third, linear equation in one variable, जो कि हमने 9th standard में किया था. One variable मतलब वहां पे कोई एक alphabet दिखेगा, either x or y. Okay. An equation which involves only one variable with highest power 1 is called a linear equation in that variable. अच्छा, highest power 1 मतलब क्या है? वहां पे आपको x ओनली मिलेगा, ना कि x स्क्वायर वहां पे नहीं मिलेगा. इसका हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है? 1 ही है. ओके, हाईएस्ट पावर 1 होना चाहिए एंड any one variable होगा, then that is known as linear equation in one variable. Few examples are given here. 5x minus 18 is equal to 3 minus 4x. Y minus 1 upon 2 minus y plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 6 minus 5. Now the fourth point is solution of linear equation in one variable. ये तो हुआ linear equation. क्या है one variable? उसका solution कैसे निकालना है? A value of the variable which when substituted for the variable in the equation makes its two sides equal is called a solution of the equation. Solution of the equation किसे बोलते हैं? जब दोनों साइड को हम इक्वल करेंगे, that means LHS and RHS को जब इक्वल करेंगे, then that is the solution of the linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable. Now fifth point is linear equation in two variable. A linear equation in two variable unknown x and y are usually represented in the form. That means one variable में either x और y था, but two variable में x and y दोनों रहेगा. And यहाँ पे दिया है, मतलब आपको x भी मिलेगा and y भी मिलेगा. And one more constant also you will get, any real number. Okay, any real number you will get as a constant. Now solution of linear equation in two variable. Any pair of values of x and y which satisfy the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, that means ये जो equation है, here c is the constant, x a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. जब ये equation is equal to 0 को satisfy करता है, then only the solution of two linear equation in two variable satisfy होगा. Here a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0, because अगर आपको a 0 लोगे तो x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 ही हो जाएगा ना. क्योंकि anything multiplied by variable, that anything multiplied by in 0, that you will get 0 only. Now geometrically, each solution x and y of a linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing to the equation and vice versa. Okay, so वो जो graphically representation है हम लोग next slide पे देखेंगे. Now graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. Okay, how to show the equation graphically. First step is read the problem repeatedly to detect the unknown which is to be found. मतलब आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया जाएगा लेकिन वहां पे जो अननोन फैक्टर है, सपोज जो भी अननोन है उसको हम लोग एज एक्स एंड वाई लेंगे. नेक्स्ट, represent the unknown by x and y. Use the conditions given in the problem to frame an equation in the unknown x and y. जो भी कंडीशन दिया है क्वेश्चन को, हमने अननोन को x and y ले लिया है, एज्यूम किया है. नाउ ट्राई टू पुट द कंडीशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x and y. Okay, next is prepare tables for both the situation. Tables means what? Suppose x is this, then what is the value of y? Okay, so prepare that type of table, then draw the graph of both the equation on the same scale of representation. That means take x और y का हमने निकाला, जब अगर x इतना है तो y क्या है, तो x का वैल्यू अगर 1 डालेंगे तो y का वैल्यू क्या आएगा. So that you should prepare in a table form. Then that detect the coordinates of the point. मतलब x का वैल्यू अगर 1 है, y का वैल्यू 3 है. Okay, suppose here x is equal to 2y. Okay, so if x is equal to 1, then 2y is equal to 2, right? x का वैल्यू 1 लेंगे तो y का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, 2 आएगा. देन x का वैल्यू 2 लेंगे तो ये इक्वेशन है आपका. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इक्वेशन. ये x इज इक्वल टू 2y आपको इक्वेशन है. अभी कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट्स डालेंगे. अगर x 1 ले रहे हैं, y कितना आएगा 2. x 2 ले रहे हैं, y कितना आएगा 4. x 3 ले रहे हैं, y कितना आएगा 6. Okay, you need to first find out the coordinate points, then ग्राफ के ऊपर उसे डिटेक्ट करना है, इंसेक्ट करना है पॉइंट्स. आफ्टर दैट आपको लाइन ज्वाइन करना रहता है. Okay, this is the graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. Now next, okay, in the graphical representation, case 1. What is the case 1? The two lines will intersect in one point. When two lines intersect in one point, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो लाइन है इसको लेंगे a1x plus b1y plus is equal to c1, and this one is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Already I said any equation should be in which form? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? So ये फॉर्मेट में कोई भी इक्वेशन रहना है, और हम लोग 2 वेरिएबल का कर रहे हैं, दैट्स व्हाई 2 इक्वेशंस मस्ट बी देयर. सो और a1 क्या होता है, पहला इक्वेशन का जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द x है, जस्ट टेक इट एज a1, एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन का कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द x जो है, टेक इट एज a2. 2 इक्वेशन ग्राफिकली जब रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं and 2 lines intersect होते हैं one point पे, then what is the condition? Only when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, जब a1 upon a2 जो कि x के coefficients है is not equal to b1 upon b2, which is the coefficient of y, then the graph will represent 2 intersecting line. Point of intersection is the only one solution. उसका ये जो है आपको टेबल फॉर्मेट में भी आई विल शो यू. जस्ट फर्स्ट क्लियर द बेसिक्स थिंग्स जो कि आपको जरूरत है, कैसे इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन होने चाहिए और इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन कब होगा, विच कंडीशन को वो फुलफिल करेगा तो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन होंगे. ओके, सो a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then only on the graph टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, दो इक्वेशन. केस 2 अगेन, एक को हम लेंगे a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Another equation will be a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Okay, this one and this is the this equation. Two lines will not intersect, means वो intersect कहीं नहीं करेंगे, but they are parallel to each other, मतलब उनका distance same रहेगा. When a1 is equal, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then only no common solution and two parallel lines. Condition will be no parallel lines का क्या होगा, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then only parallel lines. Now case 3 we will see. Case 3, the two lines will be coincident if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Then graph will represent two coincident lines. Therefore system has infinitely many solution. Okay, many solution आपको मिल जाएंगे. This will our a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and the same line, मतलब यहाँ से अगर एक इक्वेशन सेम लाइन पास करेगा दूसरे इक्वेशन को भी, a2x plus b2y plus is equal to c2 is equal to c2. So both equation in the same line, तो वो क्या होता है, infinitely many solution and graphical representation में वो coincident lines है, coinciding lines. Okay, तो 3 cases हमने देखा है. एक हुआ हमारा intersecting lines, another one is parallel lines and third one is coinciding lines. Now 8th point to remember, behavior of lines representing a pair of linear equation in two variables and conditions for the solvability as follows. So वो table क्या है अभी हम देखेंगे और वो आपको याद रखना है. Okay, this is the types of solution का जो है table format में है, आपको easily याद रहेगा. So first is unique solution and it is known as consistent and independent. Okay, और उसका condition क्या है, और ये graphically intersecting line है, already हमने explain किया था आपको previous slide में. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, unique solution is algebraic interpretation है and condition for the solvability system is consistent. Okay, unique solution word, consistent word, intersecting word, अगर ये तीनों आपको दिख रहा है तो directly just see this condition, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now the next one is no solution. No solution and inconsistent and independent. No solution का क्या है, इनकंसिस्टेंट है. अभी हमने कंसिस्टेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट देखा है, यहाँ पे इनकंसिस्टेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट, नो सॉल्यूशन एंड ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए पैरेलल लाइंस. देन विच कंडीशन, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. ओके, c2 के साथ वो इक्वल नहीं होगा a1 and a2, a1 and b1. Now the third one is infinitely number of solution, that is many solution, and condition of the solvability is consistent and dependent. ये जो bracket में है, this is the condition for the solvability. Okay, and this is the graphically representation and this one is the algebraic interpretation. Infinite number of solution, that is algebraic interpretation. Consistent and dependent, that is condition for the solvability, and this is the graphical representation. Okay, so the condition is what, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So पूरे लेसन में आपको ये जो टेबल है आपको पूरा याद रखना है. by which you can apply the conditions, whether these are fulfilling or not, you can check. Okay, now we will see the next point, important point to remember. Ninth point is algebraic methods of solving linear equation. Method of substitution. First one is method of substitution. We have substituted the value of one variable by expressing in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equation. This is known as substitution method. मतलब एक वेरिएबल का पहले हम लोग वैल्यू निकालेंगे, वो वैल्यू जो है कि दूसरे इक्वेशन में सेम वेरिएबल में डालेंगे, तो दैट इज नोन एज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. Elimination method is by equating the coefficients. We eliminate one variable first to get a linear equation in one variable. This method is called the elimination method. Okay, elimination method में क्या है, कोफिशिएंट को हम लोग इक्वल करेंगे. अभी सपोज 2x यहाँ पे है, दूसरी जगह पे 3x है, तो दोनों को इक्वल करेंगे पहले, उसके बाद उसको एलिमिनेट करेंगे. Now the third one is method of cross multiplication. Those who are appearing the 10th board this year, उनके लिए ये नहीं है cross multiplication method. Still, you should know about this method. So two equations are there. Directly how to find out? This is the formula to find out x and y. So वो क्या होता है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है. तो x के लिए b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 एंड y के लिए c1 a2 माइनस c2 y1. मतलब जो वेरिएबल है उसका कोफिशिएंट मेंशन नहीं होता है, अदर टू कोफिशिएंट मेंशन होता है. अभी x किसका वेरिएबल, सॉरी x का कोफिशिएंट a है, तो आपको यहाँ पे a सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर में दिखेगा, न्यूमरेटर में नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर में दिखेगा आपको, न्यूमरेटर में नहीं दिखेगा. सिमिलरली y का कोफिशिएंट b है, तो वो भी आपको न्यूमरेटर में नहीं दिखेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में दिखेगा. डिनोमिनेटर सबका सेम ही रहता है, जस्ट न्यूमरेटर चेंज होता है. कि इसका भी जो टेबुलर फॉर्मेट है, टेबल फॉर्मेट में हम लोग नेक्स्ट इसमें देखेंगे. This is a simple mind map to remember everything in the pairs of linear equation. First is graphical method, algebraic method. दो मेथड यहाँ पे how to solve, and algebraic method में again 3 sub points are there: substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication. This is the general form of two linear equations. Two linear equation in same two variable having 1 degree. This is the definition. And coincident line, consistent and infinitely many solution का condition क्या है. Now parallel, inconsistent and no solution का condition क्या है. Intersecting line, consistent and unique solution का condition क्या है. Okay, simply this is a small mind map. Now method of solving, substitution method का जो already explain किया था. Suppose this is the equation 1, equation 2. equation 1 का x का जो, sorry, equation 2 का हमने निकाला है, x का जो वैल्यू है वो equation 1 में पुट करना है. This is the substitution, this is the graphical method, and then elimination method, this one, and this is the cross multiplication method. Okay, just you need to remember for the cross multiplication, ये जो formula है आपको ये अच्छे से याद रखना है. Okay, ये जो मैंने बॉक्स बनाया है ये अच्छे से याद रखोगे तो आपको इजीली जो फॉर हाउ टू फाइंड आउट x and y you can easily know. Okay, now we will start solving MCQs of this lesson. Here we go with question number 1. The value of k for which the system of equations kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 has a unique solution. Okay, unique solution. What are the types of solution? Types of solution में हमारा unique solution एक है, and the formula for the unique solution is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. And unique solution is also known as intersecting lines when we represent it graphically, and system consistent, the condition for the solvability. Okay, तीनों का एक ही condition है, that is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So now we will directly put unique solution
unique solution condition is A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Now first to here we will write down what is A1, A2 and B1, B2. Okay. A1 is equal to, first equation is kx minus y is equal to 2, right? So we will write down here kx minus y is equal to 2. Here a1 is equal to k, b1 is equal to -1, and c is not required in the unique solution, but still हम लिख के रखते हैं. c is equal to -2 because ये +2 उधर जाके -2 होगा. Now the second equation is 6x minus 2y is equal to 3. And इसको 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. It will be your kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, here a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to -2, and c2 is equal to -3. Now our condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. a1 कितना है? K upon 6 is not equal to b1 upon b2, -1 upon -2. So we will solve this. This implies K is not equal to -6 upon -2. 6 को क्या किया? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया है. Okay. So K is not equal to 3 because minus minus simplify हो जाएगा. Minus minus simplify, 2 3s are, so value is 3. So what is our correct answer? Which option is correct? Is not equal to 3, so option B is our correct option. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 2, the value of k for which the system of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 4x plus ky is equal to 10 has infinite number of solutions is. Okay, here types of solution is infinite number of solution. So what is our condition? When infinite number of solution, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. First we will write down both the equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So therefore a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to -5. And the second equation is 4x plus ky is equal to 10. Therefore, a1 is equal to 4, sorry, a2. This is a2, not a1. a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to k, and c2 is equal to -10. ये याद रखना, अगर c right hand side में है, then whenever you shift into left hand side, so the sign will change. Let's put the condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So here we need to find out the value of k. So k कहाँ पे है वही हम consider करेंगे. So a1 upon a2 पहले डाल देते हैं. Okay, 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon k. Okay, so cross multiply, 2k is equal to 12, k is equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6 is our answer. And the correct option is option C. Okay. Easy है, just आपको formulas याद रखना है. यहाँ पे types of conditions क्या है, types of solutions की condition क्या है. Once you will remember them, then directly you can put the value. We'll see the next question. Question number 3. The value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 has no solution. Okay. What is the condition for no solution? And the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. And no solution is also known as in the graphical representation as parallel lines. And in the condition for solvability is system is inconsistent. ये तीनों के लिए same condition है a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. First we will write down the equations. X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. See, here already C is in the left hand side. So no need to change the sign. Whatever given, just put it down. Okay. Therefore, A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 2, C1 is equal to minus 3. Now the second equation is 5x plus ky plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, A2 is equal to 5, B2 is equal to k, and C2 is equal to 1. Again, we need to find out k. So, we will consider only A1, A2 and B1, B2. So, 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon k. So, cross multiply k is equal to 10. So, what is our answer? Option A is the correct option. Okay. Next question, we will see the question number 4. Question number 4, the value of k for which the system of equations 3x plus 5y is equal to 0 and kx plus 10y is equal to 0 has a non-zero solution is. The condition for the non-zero solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So we will write down the equations. First equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 0. Therefore, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 5, and c1 is equal to 0. And the second equation is kx plus 10y is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to k, b1 is equal to 10, and c1, sorry, a2, not a1. A2 is equal to k, B2 is equal to 10, and C2 is equal to 0. So according to our given condition, non-zero solution is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. We will just put the value of A1, 3 upon k is equal to 5 upon 10. So 5k is equal to 30 and k is equal to 30 upon 5, that is 6. Okay, so our correct option is option C. Answer is 6. Next question. If the system of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and the second equation is a plus bx plus 2a minus by is equal to 21 has infinitely many solution. Condition for the infinitely many solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. And graphically it is known as coincident lines, and condition for solvability system is inconsistent and dependent. The same condition for both three of these solutions. So directly we will write down the equation first. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So therefore a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 7. Second is a plus b x plus 2a minus b y is equal to 21. So here a2 is equal to a plus b, b2 is equal to 2a minus b and c2 is equal to minus 21. ठीक है, थोड़ा लेंदी है, फास्ट करना है, ऐसा वाला अगर एमसीक्यू में आ रहा है, so don't write a1 a2 and all in the rough, immediately put in the condition. So here a1 is equal to, so we need to apply this condition, a1 is equal to 2 upon a2 is equal to a plus b is equal to, see here we need to find out the both the values. So first दो equation form होगा, okay, first दो equation form करना है हमें. 2 is upon a plus b is equal to b1 upon b2, that is 3 upon 2. Okay, we will simplify more. Okay, now we will not put a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. Directly we will apply a1 upon a2 is equal to c1 upon c2, because वहां पे हमारे पास values है. So time जहाँ पे कम होगा वो हम लोग देखेंगे. Plus b is equal to 1 upon 3. So a plus b is equal to 6. Okay, so a is equal to 6 minus b, right? This is the value of a, equation 1. Now a1 upon b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. We will put b1 is 3 upon b2 is 2a minus b is equal to minus 7 upon minus 21, that is 1 upon 3. So 2a minus b is equal to 9, 3 multiply होगा. So now put the value of a in equation 2. Okay, put the value of a in equation 2. Equation 2. So equation 2 is our, now ये हो गया, यहाँ पे equation 2 हम लिखते हैं 2a minus b is equal to 9. So therefore 2 multiplied by 6 minus b is equal to 9. 12 minus 2b minus b is equal to 9. So minus 3b is equal to 9 minus 12, that is minus 3, and b is equal to 1. Okay, we got 1. Now value of a, put the value of b in equation 1. Okay, equation 1 क्या था? a is equal to 6 minus b. So a is equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. Value of a is 5. So which option is correct? A is 5 and b is 1. So our correct option is option B. Okay, option B. So यहाँ तक आज का जो सेशन था, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन एंड फॉर्मूलाज आपने देखे, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशंस एंड फॉर द सॉल्यूशंस. ओके, in the next session we will start from 6th question onwards. Children, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is PhD Digital Maths. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye.